Hey guys, it's Miss Franklin. I just wanted to say hello. First of all, happy Friday. We made it through our first week of at-home learning. I just wanted to real quickly give you a tutorial of something I want to try out this week. I have made an audio clip of me reading the questions and the answer choices for the quiz you're going to take over That's What Leprechauns Do. And so I want to see how it works today. So I am going to do a quick tutorial for you of kind of how I practiced it and it worked for me. And then I want to see what you think about it. So try it today if you need the questions and answer choices read aloud. And then I would appreciate your feedback. If you thought it was too hard to go back and forth, something didn't work, maybe you know a better way that I can try to help you, I would appreciate all that feedback. But I'm going to go ahead and log in and kind of show you what I think will work for today, okay? So when you go into your Google Classroom, you will see your Friday assignment there. But I have also scheduled a topic that will pop up when you log in today. So the topic is just going to say, That's What Leprechauns Do, Q&A read aloud. So what I think will be the easiest is if you go into your Friday for today, just like that. So you are going to view your assignment. Mine looks a little different because it's the teacher view, but you kind of get the hang of it. And it is going to give you, first your teachers are going to want you to watch the video again to just refresh your memory, think about all those things that happened, and then you're going to come back to the lesson plan and you are going to click here to get the test. And it is going to pop up in another tab just like when I do that. So mine kind of moved over and it's right there. You can see it made a new tab. But I still have my Google Classroom up. So I've got my test right here. I'm going to hop back over to Google Classroom really quickly. And I'm going to go down to that note that I wrote you guys. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click on that. So that is going to start the audio for the questions and answer choices. So once it gets started, I kind of give a little introduction. I give you some time to get back over to your test, and then I kind of pause in between. So one thing that you can try is you can keep it right there, start it. Again, I talk for a few seconds. I give you a second to get back over. And then I read number one and pause in between. So try that today, see how you like it. So again, you're going to hit play on there. I will start talking and then you're just going to go right back to the test and you can follow along as I read the questions and the answer choices. Okay? Again, let me know how that works. Was I reading too fast? Did it not work for you? Would you rather me not do that? But I know, again, some of you are used to having the questions and answer choices read to you, so I wanted to offer that for you this week. And then next week, if that didn't work out very well, we'll reevaluate. Again, we made it through our first week of at-home learning. I have been in touch with your teachers daily, so I know you guys have been working so very hard, and we are all proud of you. Hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you back online Monday for our second week of at-home learning.